I'm gonna be doing it here in Tinker card because it's easier for you guys to follow. Anyways, we have our DC motor, the buzzer, the Arduino Uno, the breadboard, the L293D, and sadly Tinker card does not have a joystick, so I'm just gonna use the potentiometer. Anyways, I start off by connecting terminal 2 over here and terminal 1 over here. Yeah, then you connect the ground pin over here and the 5-volt pin. Sorry for the messy wiring over here. Yeah, okay, you connect these two terminals over here to the power side, and the two in the middle with the ground. I'm just gonna make this like more clear. This is also ground. These two are power. This is also power. And this is ground. Alright, now connect these two here according to the code. For example, here I chose in 3 and in 4 for the motor ends. Yeah, so I'm going to connect it to 3 and 4, but you can change it. By the way, code in description. Yeah. Nah, that's messy. My bad. D3, for example, let's make it yellow. And this one, D4. Keep it yellow. Okay, anyways, to the buzzer. Of course, like the negative pin with the ground. And now the positive pin depends what you chose in the code, what pin you chose. For example, here I chose in 6, but you can change it. Anyways, this one will go to pin 6. For example, let's make it orange, yeah. Now, the analog joystick or the joystick, yeah. Of course, like this is the potentiometer, but we're using a joystick in the actual Arduino. So anyways, in the actual Arduino, connect the ground pin. Connect the ground pin to the ground side, yeah. And the power to the power side. Now this is very important. In the actual joystick, you're gonna have like two analog pins. Here there's only one, but actually you're gonna need two. Okay. Hold on. For example, here, for the first one I chose A0 and the second one A1. Okay. This is for the y-axis and this is for the x-axis. Okay. I'll show you later on, but anyways, for example, here, for example, A0, and there should be a second one, put it with A1. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, anyways, this is what I'm talking about here. As you can see, there's a ground pin, 5-volt pin, the VRX and the VRY. Yeah, connect these two to analog 0 and analog 1 over here. Yeah, A0 and A1. Yeah, once you're done, just simply turn it left and right. The code will be in the description.